Hi there, students. Impecunious. Impecunious. This is an adjective meaning having little or no money. Poor, penniless, impoverished. Okay, so you can say I'm a bit impecunious at the moment. However, I think impecunious is better for more permanent situations. An impecunious relative, a relative who never has any money, who's poor. Yeah, he's always hard up, he's always broke. Penurious, that's another formal word. Or an informal one, he's always Boracic. That's Cockney rhyming slang. Boracic, Boracic lint, Boracic lint, skint. Okay, strapped for cash. Okay, so my impecunious uncle is coming to stay for a month. He'll probably eat us out of house and home. There are a lot of impecunious artists living in garrets in this area of the city. I have a feeling that many governments are going to be very impecunious when the financial crisis hits after this epidemic. Notice impecunious, this is a formal word. It's a posh and formal word. It sounds a bit like Henry speaking. I'm a bit impecunious at the moment. Okay, so it sounds pretty posh, pretty formal. You can use it ironically in an informal situation. By using something very formal in a very informal situation, you stress it. Yeah, you stress the fact that here you don't have any money. But more normally, this is something you should use semi-formal and better something very formal or literary. Okay, so impecunious, without money, poor. This comes from Latin, im, not, pecunia, money, and osus, impecuniosus, full of, so not full of money. So yes, he's just an impecunious teacher. Okay, a poor teacher, but notice it's a formal word. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Impecunious.